Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change this skin tone to a brown skin color, something like this. Okay, so I'm going to show you the process and I got you. Everything is going to be different right now. So okay, let's open, move to filter and open um, camera raw filter. Okay, so that's the place we're going to use to just change everything we just need right now. Okay, so let's wait for it. Okay, so that's it. So this is my camera raw. Let me just make it some cool like this. So okay, first we're going to make sure we're going to turn this vibrance down like this, but no, not yet, right? So I'm talking about now right now. So let's just move to um color mixer. So that's the color mixer. Tools we're going to use to change everything we just need right now. So first, only thing you're gonna do right now is that make sure you just look at it well, and if we just found anything just mess up, then we fix it, make any correction about it. So let's start from the orange. Okay, so the orange, make sure you're gonna turn everything to around the side, push into this the hero side. Okay, so make sure the skin is going to be, the color is going to be like this, the font is going to be like this. Then let's move to the red. Sorry, so we're going to increase this. Okay, make sure you just increase this and turn this, okay, this hue to let's say plus let's say plus 40. So let's just before and after. Okay, so when you're done with it, just move to when you're done with it, move to orange and saturation and increase this saturation. Okay, to we're going to move to 80 plus 80. Then let's turn to and see how it works. Okay, so when you're done with it like this, okay, just come to this side, up push this block to around 44. Okay, and move this to plus let's say plus 30. Okay, plus 30. Check before and after. So when you get to this point, make sure you correct everything. So let's send this into into plus 30, and let's see before. Okay, so 30 is not bad, and make sure you're going to turn this, the whites, around 19. So when you get to the side, make sure you just push the vibrance down like this. Okay, so when you push it down like this, see before and after. Okay, so you're gonna get something like this. Make sure you just follow the process, everything I just showed you right now. Follow it before you turn this vibrance down like this. So when you get to this, just continue control this black. Okay, and let the shadow to down like this. So level everything. Okay, level everything, let this be on 18 around this side, and push this one to, let's say this one can be on like 41. 41 is not bad. Okay, then 10 to this one, so around here. So when you get to this this point, okay, see before and after. So when you get to to this and just finish to get this, then you move to curve. So when you get to the curve, make sure you turn the curve shadow to top a little bit like this, like 40, like 24. Okay, because we have just done with this shadow to plus 22. So here is now amount, so we're going to control here in this side too. So I'm going to take the dark into this side, okay, and the lights to be around this side. 17 in here, 8, and the lights or and the highlight, let's make the highlight to be 18 plus 18. So when you get to this side, make sure you increase this, okay, you will increase the saturation here and turn this one down like this. So it's going to just give you something sweet and sweetable, and this incredible. Okay, say before and after, before and after. So when you're done with all this process, just save it. When you save it to get everything like this, make sure you change this. You change this to black here, like the front to be black, the front to be black. Then move to here, okay, and just get to the gradient and change the style to the second one and reverse it. So when you reverse it, make the scale to be, to be around. It depends about how you're going to do it, but make sure you just get something cool like this. And comments, and when you get to all this, make sure you turn the opacity down, okay, down like 30 or 29. So when you get to this, make sure you just turn this, okay, gonna turn this saturation again to deep like this, okay, then you move to camera filter raw again, and make sure you take this reference down like this, okay, and hit okay. That's it. We get everything we just need right now. But you see all this, you see all this just mess up. I got you. Make sure you get to camera raw filter again and fix it. Okay, so when you get to there, make sure you open to detail, zoom it, and make sure the color noise reduction is going to be down like this. So you're going to just remove everything which is just mess with this image is going to take it down, okay, before and after, before and after. Hope you can see. And after here, check, okay, before after, okay. So that's it. So guys, that's what I just got it for you today. So subscribe, comment, and like, and let me just see, let me just hear from you guys, in the comment section. So anything, I can just fix it. So like I said, subscribe to my page and I'm going to make you feel great. So see you for the next video. Bye.